I have a pizza for Casey.
Ooh. Yeah. I'm Casey. Shit. I left my wallet at my friend's. Is there any other way I could pay back a cute guy like you?
You're joking, right?
What if I wasn't?
Taryn, can you keep it in your pants for like 5 minutes?
I was just playing around. He's all yours.
So, you're Casey.
Yeah, I'm just here to save you from my slutty roommate.
I mean, he wasn't causing anybody any harm. I thought maybe he was like your boyfriend or something.
No, have a good one.
Wait. I'm not gay and all, but would you and your boyfriend ever be down to, Look, I'm just gonna be direct. Would you and your little friend ever wanna maybe just a tip?
You know, not everyone will take so kindly to your harassment.
Oh, whatever. Consider it a challenge to our heteronormative society. Epicurus once said, "Pleasure is the beginning and end of living happily."
Yeah, I'm starting to think that people become philosophy majors just because they're horny. Guess who texted me earlier? Max.
Don't tell me you're gonna let that stray back into this house.
Of course not, I'm not stupid.
No hits in the world of online dating?
This app is a fucking cesspool. Listen to these messages. Hung straight guy looking for some down low fun. Dom daddy looking for an ass to destroy. Straight guy looking to experiment. Like, what the fuck?
I don't know what you're complaining about. It sounds like you have a lot of options.
I'm not looking for a dick appointment. I'm looking for someone real and nice.
Well then, I hate to break it to you, dude, but that app is not really the place for that.
Well, I am talking to someone.
Oh, do tell.
We haven't talked much, but he seems nice.
Well, hook up with him, because I'm tired of hearing about your hungry bottom complaints.
You don't know I'm a bottom.
Sure. And you don't know I'm a bottom.
We interrupt this program to bring a breaking story that a serial killer is currently at large. Dubbed the Catfish Killer, the criminal is using fake profiles on a popular app for homosexuals looking for casual sex.
Oh, subtle, aren't they?
Users of this app are being advised against meeting strangers from the app until the criminal is apprehended.
I guess you were right. That app is fucked up. I'm gonna do some laundry.
Have fun.
I will.
To take it to drain it? Well, I don't know, sir. I've never drained it before, and I don't know that I drain it properly. There are 3 gear channel doors on the pump. Open them.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Not funny! Get lost or I'm calling the cops! Max!
Hey, Casey.
I nearly took your head off. What are you doing here?
Thought we could talk?
I think we've talked enough.
Come on, I don't know why you're not willing to give this another chance. Like,
No, you want to give this another chance.
Oh, hi, Max. Decided to come crawling back, huh?
yeah, hey, Taryn.
Hmm.
Come on, I literally saw you online earlier. Come on, babe.
I'm not your babe.
Well, you liked it when I called you that.
No, I liked it when I was the only person you were calling that.
Don't be such a prude.
Approved. You cheated on me.
You're all special all of a sudden?
Fuck you.
Wow. Unbelievable. Fucking high-strung twink.
Someone there? Max? Is that you? Max, so help me God, I will bash your fucking brains in.
Taryn! Are you okay?
They wouldn't let
What?
bring it to her playhouse. Put it where there are other things.
Taryn?
Hey!
Fuck! Why is everyone doing that to me tonight?
A little jumpy case.
It's been a weird night. Oh, what was that noise earlier?
Sorry, I knocked over one of our trash cans. I thought I heard someone outside. I thought maybe it was your weirdo ex.
Taryn, there's something I gotta tell you.
Oh yeah? What's up?
I messaged that guy from earlier, and what if he's the catfish killer?
Casey!